Hello guys, welcome back to Double J. So today we are going to unbox the new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and support. So if you want to follow our Instagram, there's a link down below, and if you want to see our new Samsung Galaxy A71 unboxing, click right here. So let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna unbox this thing. So this is the box. So let's unbox this. Yeah, here we have it. So this is the thing. So let's see what's inside it. Oh, this is the bubble wrap, I guess. This is the first thing. So let's put that on the side. So the next thing that you see is so this is the packing slip from Samsung right here. So the next one is the phone. So here is it, Note 20. See, there's nothing in, pretty much anything. So let's unbox this and set up. So first we need to cut the sides. So okay, so I think we cut it. So let's pop it out. It's gonna be so satisfying. Oh, that is smooth. That is so smooth. Oh, here we have the phone. So first of all, we get, I think, the manual guides and stuff. So this is the American version. So the bad thing about this is that it does not have all the things like the case, headphone, and all. So first we see this is the term and condition. This one right here. So this is like the beginning guide. This is something else. I don't know what is it. Yeah, that's all. And we can see there's a SIM ejector. So let's move to the phone. So before we move to the phone, we can see that there's nothing. Okay, now let's take the phone. Oh my god. See, this is the phone. So before I open the phone, if I on the phone, I have to check something else either. So in the case there's like a covering, and we can see this is a USB C to C power adapter, and there's nothing inside here. There's nothing. And there's a charger. So this is the USB to USB C to C. So I'll take this out. It's pretty short. It's short. So I suggest to get a other wire because it's short. So that's all in the package. So now let's get to the phone. So here we have the phone. So the screen size for the phone is 6.9 QLED screen. So it's pretty big. So there is a 10 megapixel selfie camera. So let's move to the back of the camera, the phone. So we can see, so there is mainly 3 cameras over there. So the first one we see is a 12 MP ultra wide camera, and the second one is 108 megapixel camera. It's a wide angle camera. And the third one is 12 MP telephoto camera, and there is a flashlight and a laser AF sensor. So let's start it. Before that, let's peel the back side, the thing. Oh, that is so cool. So yeah, right here. So let's on it. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It's yes, of course, it's powered by Android. First, they're gonna like say all these stuff. So yeah, English. So we have to like set up. So first they're gonna ask like term of condition and all this stuff. So let's set up and see you guys. So we set it up. So it was super easy, and they're asking few questions like your Google account information, your Samsung account, the face, like all the lock thing. So when you buy, so I got the unlocked version. So when you buy the unlocked version, they use 25 GB, so you have 102 GB left. So yeah, because all the apps, so this is the apps that you get when you buy the phone. So you get that Spotify, and also this has an 6 months Spotify premium for free. I got it for free, and YouTube premium for 4 months. Yeah, it's a pretty good deal. So that's all. So a review is gonna come really soon, so stay tuned. So welcome back. So we unboxed this and set up. So it was super easy. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe and support us. So we will be right back with a new video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.